What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this little video here, I want to do like an outfitting tech tip for you guys. I get a lot of questions about like how I've outfitted my Scorch. This is the Piranha Scorch medium, because I seem to get a lot of questions about this. I was paddling over the weekend and someone asked me about how I outfitted my Scorch. I'm going to go ahead. This will be a short video. I just want to show you real quick on the proper outfitting for the Piranha, and this goes also for the Machno, the Ripper, the Ozone. It can fit. This is across the board. This is the Stout 2 outfitting, and I'll start off with the back band. My back band, I usually, one of the things I do, I tie a knot in it right here. That knot helps with the slippage issue of this double buckle right here, and I also run this latch right here in about the midways, which puts my back band in the midway right here. I keep these nice and tight. I do run airbags in my boat. So moving on to up here, you do see that I have the mod where I modded my back band, how it runs higher like that. Keeps the back band nice and high, runs through there. I keep it about halfway up. It looks like it's around about maybe 2 inches from the seat right here. That seems to work well for me. The hip pads, I run 2 hip pad shims in there. I did run at one point the hip pad above this webbing here, but it seemed to like push the hip pad at a weird angle, so I quit doing that. I do put it under that now. I do not run a seat pad, but one thing I have added is hip pad shims. I've added 2 wedge shims. I've glued them in there. That kind of gives me somewhat like a leg lifter that lifts my thighs up. It fills that gap under my thighs just a little more comfortable. I do have the Piranha thigh hookers installed in the most aggressive position. I find that these thigh braces kind of require that. I do like those. One thing I did do, I did put foam up under here. You guys can see right there where my knee contact happens. That right there, sometimes my knee hits there. There's the other pad under the thighs. I keep my sponge crammed up under the seat. That seems to hold it very well right there. I like that a lot. Throw rope, I always put a throw rope here. I never put the throw rope behind my seat. I want to be able to access it while I'm sitting in the kayak. I run through one strap of the throw rope. How I can take this off, all I can do is hit that buckle, see how quickly I can pick that up. I like that. Algae bottle, I usually run an algae bottle or some sort of like just normal Gatorade bottle or something in that bungee right there. One thing that I've done that maybe you haven't seen in a lot of people, I run a foot block. This is a triangular wedge that I run right there for my heels to rest on, and right here is a padding, just extra padding, which gives about 3, maybe 3.5 inches of padding on my toes. Plus I'm able to kind of rest my feet there a lot easier. In the event of a piton, it can absorb a lot more impact on each side right there, and it's just a little more comfortable. Ratchet straps, I keep it where I don't max out my ratchets, but I'm gonna give you guys a quick tip real quick. You ever sit down in your boat and you accidentally hit this and you have your ratchet strap pull completely out like that, and then now you're kind of, nothing's happening when you do that, and you're sitting here and you're trying to fool around with getting this back in there? Let me show you a quick tip that for you guys. Pull your strap all the way out like this, put a little bend about 1 inch down from it like that. Now you see what it looks like now. See how what it's doing? Go up, push on the back of it with your finger, and look, problem solved. That was less than 5 seconds. That was way better than me sitting there fooling with it. Just a quick tip for you guys, left and right, you can do that. This does happen. It happens on Dagger. It happens to anything with a ratchet strap. By the way, I'm running my seat in the middle position. The middle position to adjust this seat. There's a bracket, and it's not easy to do. I'm not going to do it in this video, but I don't adjust my seat. I think the Scorch paddles very well in the stock position right dead center, so I don't have any adjustment there. The only thing I adjusted was my bulkhead and foamed out my bulkhead. Mini cell foam, you could buy blocks of it. All that is a triangle block down there and some padding. I have stock foam laying around, and I just glued it all together. You guys leave in the comments below if you got any more questions on how I outfit my boats. But yeah, thanks a lot, everybody. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you guys next time.